I wanted to start off by talking about expectations in your child custody case. This is something that I work a lot with my clients on when they come to see me, when they retain me, and as we work on the case. And many times clients come in and they really don't understand. They don't understand what the law says or what the law demands. They don't understand what the law demands when it comes to decision making, also known as legal custody, or parenting time, which is also known as physical custody. And so part of my job as their attorney is to educate them on what the law says in our state of Arizona, and then to analyze the facts of their case, apply those facts to the law, and talk to them about what might be realistic. So, the thing is with these cases, a lot of times it's a mixed bag. You go into court, the judge hears the evidence, and what I find is that the judges a lot of times do what they call splitting the baby. And when judges issue decisions, each parent may get a little bit of what they like and a little bit of what they don't like. It's rare that there's a clear winner and there's a clear loser. So when you're going into your court case, you have to make sure that your expectations aren't unrealistic, because if you have unrealistic, that really could be a bad thing for you, especially if the other side has an attorney. If you have unrealistic expectations and you're making unrealistic requests of the court, the judge could deem you to be unreasonable, which then could lead to you paying the other side's attorney's fees and costs. So it's really hard to know what expectations you should have if you've never had a case, or you really don't know what the law is. And that's where you have to check what your situation is against the prevailing law and what judges are doing in your state. And that's why I think it's important for you to consult with an attorney, even if you're not going to hire an attorney. So it's really important to have realistic expectations. That's what I want you guys to know, okay? So you have to figure out whether your expectations are realistic or not. Check with an attorney. If you don't have the resources to check with an attorney, then get really familiar with what the law says in your state and what judges are deciding. If there are parents groups, join them. Become a member, get informed. Consider starting your own parents group in your jurisdiction for people like you. Join up with other Command the Courtroom community members. This is a great community. If you're a member of the 21-Day Child Custody Challenge, there is a member community there. So that's something to think about. But the long and the short of it is, I really want you to have realistic expectations, because if you don't, it could come back to bite you down the road in your case.